everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another what's in my bag to share with you. Yeah, this bag I've been carrying it non-stop since the day I got it, so I thought why not share with you guys. So yes, let's just get started. So this is the bag. So this bag, I am so glad I got this bag just because I'm on the hunt for it, because like, you know, when it first came out I was kind of like about it, but then soon after, you know, when I'm kind of like ready to have it, kind of really fall in love with it. It's just like it's sold out everywhere, and then I have to, you know, be on the wait list and all that stuff, and I kind of don't want to deal with it. So then I kind of like, you know, been searching for it, and I finally found it on like a pre-loved website, and I'm so glad I got it. Like I said, I've been carrying this non-stop, and I guess it's kind of like my first Louis Vuitton handbag, I guess. This is the Louis Vuitton Nano Noe. But yeah, because I usually have their, well, I do have Louis Vuitton stuff, but I have like their small SLG, so I don't think that's counted as a handbag. So I got like their key clay and you know, their pochette, which I converted to a crossbody, but other than that, not like their big handbag or anything like that. So I guess this is my first Louis Vuitton handbag. So yes, so yeah, I guess I'll just start showing you what I have in there. I try to keep everything organized, but you know, I try. I don't think this is very organized at all. This is what I have right now. I usually have my phone in there as well. So this is my phone. Let's just get started. I have a hair tie. And let's start with the pouch. So this is, oh my gosh. So this is the pouch that I usually carry. Well, I carry in this bag right now. I have a few things, I kind of switch it around. In the pouch I got one of my favorite lipstick. This is by Saint Laurent. You guys know I love Saint Laurent, so this is the color I have on right now. And what's good about it is the packaging is like a mirror packaging, so I don't need like a mirror. I just kind of like use it as my little mirror, and I just put it on. So definitely recommend that one. And then I got a Lancome lip products. This is a collaboration with one of the style blogger. I don't know her name on top of, yeah, I don't know her name right now. I can't recall, but I'll put in the description for you. But it's like a cute little, you know, design on it. It's a pretty color, but I haven't really used it as much just because I've been using Saint Laurent, the Saint Laurent one so much. And then I got another one which is by MAC. This is the color Mocha. It's a little bit darker than I usually like, you know, wear, but I haven't really wear it as much because I thought I repurchased it, and then I thought I will, like, you know, wear it a lot, but now I don't really use it. I just have it with me, but I don't really, you know, grab it, which I should have. Yeah, I should have just taken it out of my pouch or something. Okay, I got a lot of paper. I got some cash, you know that. How much have I got? Okay, let me see. $28. Okay, I'll take that. I try to carry cash with me just because if like a small little thing, I just use cash for it rather than my debit card or anything like that. Okay, this is just a note from work. And then I got my blotting sheet. This is by which I had it for a while. And then this stuff from work. And then yeah, I got this coupon from H&M. So I don't know if you guys do the same, but I usually donate my kind of like unused like clothes, like, you know, like any clothing that I don't use anymore. So rather than donate it like to Goodwill, I just do it at H&M, so I can get like some coupon off, so you get 15% off your purchase. Which, although this time I drop it off to this location and they weren't really friendly to me. They were kind of like so stingy about their coupon, And I mean, I wasn't like asking like, can I have some more, but I don't know, like a different location I drop it, which I should go to that one because they're usually really nice and they just give you a ton just because, you know, they want you to come back and shop with them, spend money. That's how it is. But she was, I guess she just didn't have, yeah, I guess she have a bad day or something. Anyways, off track. I got my eye drop, and then I got a mascara and a tampon. This one I had it forever. Another mascara. This is by Saint Laurent, which I haven't really used. It's okay. And then another tampon. Oh, okay. And then I have this menthol oil. You guys know I carry this around with me all the time. And then there's a lip product by Fresh. This is just their lip balm. It's really good. It's like when you put on your lip, it's really buttery. It's really soft. It's just a good stuff. I definitely need to go back and purchase that. Oh, there's a penny in here. Penny. Okay, and then I got my wallet. You guys know how much I love this wallet. This card holder. I am considered to get another one of them. But like black on black maybe. We'll see. But yes, some floss, my headphone, my nail polish, which I don't really use anymore. I got some snack. When I get hungry, I know I'm covered, you know. This is a rice cracker. I got it from Asian market. It's just so addicting. I need to stop getting them because like if you guys gave me a whole pack of that, I would finish it like in one day. It's just so addicting. And then I got Tylenol, sunscreen, which I never use, and hand sanitizer. This is the one I carry with me most of the time, just because you never know, you know. So, and then this is the coconut and lemon. I like the smell of that. Oh, another penny. And then this is all, oh shoot, I have money laying around. 6 cents, another penny, and a nickel. And okay, that should be completed what's in my bag. And I guess I can do like a little review on this bag. It's a cute little bag. It definitely fit a lot actually. I was quite surprised. But the only thing that I don't like about this bag, because it's more like the traditional bucket bag where you gotta tie the string, which I don't mind it at times, but sometimes it kind of get annoying because I gotta tie it up. And it's kind of like open. That's why I keep everything, I try to keep everything in pouches so that way it won't fall down. But other than that, you know, it's a great bag, except like the length of the strap too. It's a bit long on me just because I'm super petite. Everything is like big on me. But I mean, you know, like it's kind of hit where my, like a little bit lower than my hip, so then it's kind of like really such a pain for me to wear it. But I mean, I don't mind it, and I don't want to tie a knot because it doesn't look cute. But all in all, it's a great bag. I definitely recommend it if you guys can get your hand on it. So yes, that will be it, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, please. That would mean a lot to me. So yes, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.